Today, we're going to be looking at AI Instant Book Publishing. This is a review of the front end as well as the bump offer that you have the opportunity to go ahead and take advantage of. This actually was launched as a dime sale where the price went up with every single sale. So let's go ahead and jump in and I'll show you the basics of it. What this is to do is to be able to do 10 chapter books and affiliate offer subchapters in 2 minutes or less. So you can create 10 chapter books in 2 minutes or less. You can use free programs and you can actually automate it. So you just put in the beginning and you just let it run. So in the beginning, you have a course overview, basic setup, what you need to do to actually get it going. It has 4 training videos for the course. Each video actually has timestamps. So if you want to know specific places to go in the video, you can go ahead and see what the time summary of every video that is inside here. So it has a summary of what it says in the video. Plus it also has prompts to go ahead and get your books created. So in the training videos, we have the instant book writing without research. We have instant book writing with research. Instant book affiliate promo subchapter on how and AI auto continue, so you can have hands-free creation without clicking continue, which allows you to create 10 chapter books with just putting in a few things and then it's ready to run. So you can go ahead and walk away, spend some time with your family for a few minutes, drink a coffee or an energy drink, and get ready for the rest of your day while your book is quickly writing for you. Now, on the bump offer, there are live training replays of Done With You Publishing, where we actually have a group that meets 4 times per month, and it's called the Accountability Action Taker Squad. And so these are some of the replays that actually go with live Q&As on publishing, and it shows you how to do publishing with coloring books, children's books, activity books, nonfiction books, as well as answering questions about YouTube and affiliate marketing and various other things. So it actually has 10 replays in there from the last 10 Done With You live calls. We have a live call every single week. And so for this bump offer, you actually get to go ahead and see the live replays. Each one also has timestamps so that you can find specific things inside the video, as well as being able to have a summary, a quick summary of what is inside of each video. So you can find specifically what you need, what you want to be able to go ahead and jumpstart your publishing career. Now, with AI Instant Book Publishing, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building profit, passive income pieces of publishing so that you're able to make books to either promote affiliate offers, you're able to write books to go ahead and promote local businesses, or you're able to write books about specific topics, solving people's problems so that you can get some traffic to your website or traffic to your YouTube channel or traffic to your offer. We recently also went ahead and released our Road to Bestseller that shows how to go ahead and become a bestseller after you publish your books. And this AI Instant Book Publishing actually gives you everything that we've learned recently working one-on-one with students on how to automate these book creations. And then you can tinker and fine-tune them to your needs, whether it's for promoting local businesses or promoting affiliate offers or promoting your website or your YouTube channel or whatever, using the free leads from Amazon as they send you leads through your book downloads. And you also are able to go ahead and get royalties with those affiliate commissions from promoting things in your book, stuff like that. Now, this is different from our Road to Bestseller. We've been able to help a lot of people become best-selling authors and then go ahead and go wide on the publishing and make money from 64 different platforms. This is not that course. This is the course on how to go ahead and quickly make books so that you can get your words, your thoughts out there without having to sit in the background and write for hours and hours or months. And then once you have that, if you want to look into our Road to Bestseller, that is how to go ahead and take the book that you have created and either become a bestseller or to go ahead and publish wide on 64 different platforms and make money 64 different ways. So hopefully this was helpful in learning about AI instant book publishing, what it has and what the bump offer includes. Please leave a comment down below if you picked it up, and I look forward to seeing your success. Thank you so much for watching. This is Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker.